Every decade, Apple does something that doesn't just update a phone, but resets the entire industry's clock. In 2007, it was the original iPhone. In 2017, it was the iPhone X. And now, as we move through 2026, the tech world is bracing for the third great awakening. The whispers from Cupertino have turned into a roar. We aren't just talking about a faster chip or a new color. We are talking about a device that effectively merges professional cinematography, desktop-class computing, and invisible design into a single slab of titanium. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're holding an iPhone 16 or even the recent 17, you might think you've reached the peak of smartphone technology. You'd be wrong. As we sit here in February 2026, the leaked blueprints for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, internally codenamed Project Atlas, suggest that Apple is about to retire the smartphone as we know it and introduce the first true spatial mobile computer. Today, we are going to break down why the 18 Pro Max is the most dangerous phone Apple has ever built. We'll talk about the move to the 2nm A20 Pro chip, the end of the dynamic island, the mechanical variable aperture that's going to put DSLR manufacturers on suicide watch, and the rumored $2,000 Ultra tier that might actually be worth it. If you're planning on upgrading anytime soon, stop. This video is the only roadmap you need. Let's start with the face of the device. Since 2022, we've lived on Dynamic Island. It was a clever way to hide a hole, but let's be honest, it was always a compromise. According to the latest supply chain leaks from TSMC and Samsung Display, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is finally moving to under-display Face ID. This is the holy grail. The infrared sensors, the dot projector, and the flood illuminator are all being tucked beneath the pixels. What's left? A single, tiny, microscopic punch hole for the selfie camera, pushed to the top left corner. The screen is no longer interrupted. It's a 6.9-inch sea of 144 Hz LTPO plus OLED that looks like a floating piece of glass in your hand. This is the design Steve Jobs dreamed of, a single sheet of black glass that comes alive. But a beautiful screen is useless without the power to drive it. And this is where the 18 Pro Max gets scary. For the first time in history, we are moving to a 2nm process. The A20 Pro chip isn't just an upgrade, it's a total architectural rewrite. Early benchmarks suggest a 15% jump in raw speed, but the real story is the 30% jump in efficiency. Apple is reportedly using a new wafer-level packaging technique where the RAM is fused directly onto the processor. Why does that matter to you? It means zero latency between the brain and the memory. This phone will handle 8K video editing, AAA console gaming, and local generative AI tasks faster than most MacBook Airs. You aren't carrying a phone, you're carrying a supercomputer that happens to make calls. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where Apple is going for the kill. For years, the physical limitation of a phone was its fixed aperture. You could only let in so much light. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to debut Apple's first mechanical variable aperture on the main 48-megapixel sensor. We're talking about a lens that physically opens and closes between f/1.4 and f/2.8. In the photography world, this is a game changer. In low light,